The Julia butterfly, Dryas iulia. This is a third longwing butterfly that's found in the United States. It does have the characteristic long forewings. Julia butterflies are really only in the southern parts of Florida. They could wander up to the northern parts in the warm months of the year, but if you live in North Florida, I don't recommend that you start by trying to attract Julias. Like all longwings, they are tropical and they migrate because they cannot survive winter or freezing temperatures in any of their 4 stages. Julia butterflies are sexually dimorphic.
What's that?
And that's just a really fancy science word for saying that males and females are visibly different. Julias can be found all year in parts of central and southern Florida, and you can see them in your garden regularly. Field guides and books and other literature will list the Julia as a common butterfly. It's common, but not nearly as common as the other 2 we discussed. Here's a picture of a female Julia. Males are much brighter and have less brown markings on them. Females are duller and they have brown stripes. Here's a female on the left and the male on the right. This is the sexual dimorphism. Unlike the sparkly and dazzling underside of a Gulf fritillary, the underside of a Julia is pretty drab. And it likes it that way because that's one of its protection mechanisms. It closes its wings and hopes to blend in with the leaves in case a predator is nearby. Here you can see all of the caterpillars side by side so that you can tell them apart. The zebra caterpillars are white with black branched spines. The Gulf fritillary caterpillars are orange with black branched spines, and the Julias are blackish brown with white dots, an orange head, and black branched spines. All of these look scary, but none of them can sting. And these caterpillars will only be eating your passion vines. They cannot eat any other plants. They would die. That's why mama lays her eggs on passion vines, because it's the only plant her baby caterpillars can eat. Here's a juxtaposition of the chrysalids so that we can see the differences. Zebra longwing chrysalids have metallic markings, and they also have the appendages that hang down. The Gulf fritillary is pretty bland. It doesn't have any metal marks or the flanges. And the Julia is a little bit like the zebra because it has the metal markings, but it does not have the flanges. Also, if you notice, the Julia is a little bit stout. The zebra, longwing, and Gulf fritillary are elongated. That's it for this session. I'll see you in the next lesson.